What is OpenAI source? Let's talk about today. OpenAI source typically refers to open source projects or code released by OpenAI. In the context of OpenAI, this would usually mean the software or models that are made publicly available for others to use, modify, or contribute to. OpenAI has released certain models, tools, and libraries to the public, such as OpenAI Gym, a toolkit for developing and comparing reinforcement learning algorithms. OpenAI Baselines, high-quality implementations of reinforcement learning algorithms. OpenAI Codex, a powerful model designed to understand and generate code, though not fully open source. Parts of Codex's code have been shared through API access. OpenAI, however, has generally been cautious about releasing some of its most powerful models like GPT-3 and GPT-4 in full because of concerns over misuse, safety, and ethical considerations.